the pork belly, get defrosted, and then I soaked this last night, guys, the mung beans, and then I rinse it and then I remove the gunk. There's some gunk yet, but I just boiled a little bit and I off the let's see. I can add more water later or something, but I just boiled. You soak water, you rinse it, and then you soak water overnight, and in the morning they expand. That's a mung bean ba. So got defrosted over there. Another. This is just like the one with the ribs and and I'm gonna mix some mung bean soup with get there's some coconut milk, and I don't know if I'm gonna put the squash. This is squash, and then I also have let's see. I also got this baby spinach, and today is October 2nd, 2024, Wednesday. So that's October 9. Anyway, that's a baby spinach. I put in a refrigerator, so I like to put the water in the freezer and say cold. So there's like a lot of water here. Cold water. Okay guys, see you later.